Now if I want to give discount, I can give item wise discount. For example, I'm only giving discount to a certain product, for certain service. For example, I'm only giving discount on this service. I can just give the discount percent over here, for example 2%. But if I want to give an amount discount, not in percent, I can give it in this one. For example, I want to give 20 discount. I will give the price over here for discount and click on save. I can also remove the discount by clicking on the item, then removing the discount from here, then again clicking save. But if you don't want to do that, you want to give discount on the complete bill, you can give it over here in the discount amount. For example, I want to give 10 discount on the entire bill. So I want to give 10 discount on the entire bill. I will just click enter 10 over here or 50 over here. However discount you want to give on the entire bill, you can just add it over here, 19. Okay, but if you want to give in percent on the entire bill, for example, I want to give 5% on the entire bill, I will give on this text box like this. That's it. Now just click on continue cash to give the checkout.